Hello, my name is Ahmed and this is my IT332 Final project. First up, you can see that I have Windows Server 2012 installed, and after that I went ahead and configured it through here, local server. As you can see, the computer name is Ahmed Final project and the time zone is Eastern Time, US and Canada. After that, I went ahead and installed Active Directory and domain name service. So here is Active Directory right here, and here is domain name service. And to configure that, I went to Tools, DNS. I have the website name here, ahmedmason.edu. I have the forward lookup zones right here, FTP, NS, and default. And after that, step 3 was to get IIS running. I have IIS installed here, and the page is over here as well. That is localhost. So this is Ahmed's web page running in IIS on my Ahmed Final project server in my localhost. And then for Apache, I would just have to switch to port 8000. And here is my Apache page running in Apache. And then if I switch to my regular domain, which is ahmedmason.edu, you can see that the project is now running on a ahmedmason.gmu domain. And then after that, it was finally FTP. So if I go here, and this is my FTP URL, and this is my FTP root page. You can see I have a file here for testing as well. And then after that, I went ahead and installed WordPress. So the URL for that is Ahmed WordPress right here. So this is hello IT332, welcome to my WordPress site. And so that's configured, and I also went ahead and configured this page too a little bit. So this is customized. Hello, it's Ahmed. I went ahead and did that through. If I go to my computer, you can go to local disk C, you can go to inetpub, www-root, and there's WordPress here where you can edit the files as well. There's an index.php, but that only points to another page, wp-admin, and then that pointed to install.php, which is one of the files here as well. And lastly, I also went to, before I even installed WordPress, I had to install MySQL and PHP. And that is my project. Thank you for watching.